Welcome to Buzzword Breakdown, the series where we decode the real meaning behind Telecom's hottest terms. Today's buzzword is SBA. It's what makes 5G feel more like cloud software than old school telecom gear. And here to walk us through it is Mr. Mala from Docomo Eurolabs, an expert in 5G core networks and a key contributor to the 3GPP SA2 group, where SBA was born.
Thank you for having me. SBA might sound abstract, but it's very foundation of how 5G works today.
So let's start at the top. What exactly is SBA?
SBA stands for Service-Based Architecture. Is the architecture model used in 5G core. So unlike in 4G core, which relies on point-to-point interfaces between the two different network functions, SBA defines every function as a service that can communicate through APIs. It's a shift from tightly coupled system to loosely coupled modular components, just like what you find in today's cloud Navi IT systems.
So it's kind of like microservices in a cloud application.
Exactly. For example, AMF, an Access Mobility Management function, exposes multiple services. So it's registered these services with the network repository function, which is also known as NRF, so that the consumers such as SMF or PCF can discover, consume the service, just like an app looking for a backend.
So everything's more dynamic, right?
Yes. Microservices, service discovery, and programmable interfaces, all that all allows for more efficient network management.
And why was this change necessary? Wasn't the 4G architecture working just fine?
4G worked, but it wasn't flexible. 5G isn't just about phone anymore. It's about IoT systems and automated vehicles, remote surgery, and the services we haven't even invented yet. Those all need low latencies, high reliability, programmable networks. SBA enables that by making the core network as flexible, as composable as the application it supports.
Okay, so SBA makes it possible to build network as a service platform.
Exactly. It's a foundation of network slicing, on-demand scalability, and zero-touch automation. You can think of it as cloudifying the telco cloud, turning hardware-bound logic into software-defined services.
And I assume this also enables better observability.
Yes.
Okay.
SBA allows for the fine-grained monitoring analytics, which feeds into things like NWDF, network data analytical functions, policy control, and even closed-loop automation.
And who designed this model and how is it being standardized?
It's defined by 3GPP,
Okay.
mainly in SA2 working group, where the system architecture is specified. So they look at what worked in IT and adapt it into telecom grade reliability. The result is fully open, service-based design, and the specifications defined, which you can find it like in TS 23501 and TS 29XX series.
Okay, are operators actually using it in real-world networks?
Yes, many operators, including Docomo, are deployed SBA-based 5G core right now. And some are built fully containerized, Kubernetes or orchestrator networks using SBA as a counter model.
It sounds like a major cultural shift for the telecom industry.
It is. It requires new tooling, new skill set, but it also brings faster rollout, flexible service deployment, and a whole new developer ecosystem for telecom functions.
Okay, thank you. So what should business leaders or engineers walk away with from this discussion?
That SB isn't just a technical details. It's a strategic enabler. It allows operator to move faster, experiment safely, scale efficiently. It opens the door to true new network programmability, meaning services can be launched or updated like software apps, even with a third party.
So it's not just about architecture, it's about agility.
Exactly. in the old world, deploying new functions could take months. With SBA, it can take days or even be automated entirely. That's a massive competitive edge.
Thanks, Mr. Mala. In our next episode, we will step out of the software world and into the physical one with something called ISAC.
A network that doesn't just connect but sense the world. Can't wait to break that one down.
Perfect, me too.
Thanks.
Bye.